Alright, quick news update on Terra Luna. Let's jump right into this. So, in the past 24 hours, Kwon has been accused of lying and hiding 42 million Luna tokens. Since this has happened, like I said in the past 24 hours, Kwon, also known as, very ironically, Stable Kwon, over on Twitter has privated his tweets. Now, in my opinion, this has happened because of one of three reasons, or all of the above. Number one, he either got bullied off of Twitter. Number two, the accusations are correct. Or number three, which I probably find is the most likely, is that he's recently spoken to a lawyer and his lawyer told him to private all of your tweets. So, either way, not a good look for Luna. If this accusation is true, then this is truly disgusting because on a multitude of occasions before, Terraform Labs has literally said they are going to have 0 of the new Luna tokens, and that the new Terra chain, as it says over here, would be community owned. This news came into fruition after a whistleblower from the Terra community forum, Fatman Terra, has unearthed Kwon's 42 million Luna tokens. Hidden in a shadow wallet, according to Fatman Terra, the CEO of Terraform Labs kept lying to the community by assuring that the new Terra chain would be community owned and the organization holds 0 Luna tokens. Now, Bitcoin Dynamic made a beautiful article about this. I'm not going to go through the whole thing. We've pretty much summarized the important parts, but you can see these are the multitude of wallets that I previously mentioned. I'm not going to go through all of these. For this video, we're simply just going to be looking at the wallet with the highest amount of Luna, which has 11.28 million. Like I said, if you want the full in-depth article about this and you want to verify all of these wallets yourself, then simply head over to bitcoindynamic.com. They've made a great article about this. So, you can see if we come over to Terra Finder, this is one of the wallets that has been basically accused of being in control of Kwon. And as you can see, there is, like it said, 11.28 million Luna vested in this account. Most of it has been delegated to a validator for staking rewards. That is basically the news, but one thing that I would like to highlight that has been coming out recently that I know a lot of people don't know of is the fact that this is not Kwon's first rodeo when it comes to having an algorithmic stablecoin that has completely flopped. In 2020, Kwon, under the pseudonym Rick Sanchez from the animated show Rick and Morty, helped create the failed stablecoin project Basis Cash. That is pretty much enough said. This was another failed algorithmic stablecoin that, like it says over here, shares similarities with UST. And if we do come over to Basic Cash, ticker symbol BAC, you can see once again, this looks like the Luna chart. It's basically another rug pull that had the exact same effect of what UST and Luna did. You can see this was previously trading at almost $160, and now this is literally not even a penny. This is coming down to 0. So I've said this before, I'll say it again, I would really not be interested in investing in Luna. Both of the charts look terrible. This is the Luna classic chart over on here, which is literally going to 0. You can see it's about to capitulate below the lows. There's been tons of volume coming in the past day. If we look at the daily time frame, we are starting to slip below this since the news has come out. You can basically see where this news was unearthed because of the selling volume. And also, if we do come over to the new Luna, this is sitting at $3, and it's basically about to come down and capitulate below the mint price, which is $1. From our Fibonacci's, from the low to the high up here, you can see we are already about to capitulate below the 786. We're literally just chilling here. So, in my opinion, I've said this before, I'll say it again, I do think Luna's done. I would not be investing in this. This is basically a Ponzi scheme, in my opinion. So, not good news over on the Luna Foundation. All of this news just coming out for Kwon, on top of him, privating his tweets, is just not a good sign. I wouldn't be surprised if this guy is in prison in the next year or so. That's basically all I've got for the news update. Hope you found some value in this. As always, Cowboy out. Peace.